Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with our new digital files this week. Now, if you've been following us for a while, you know that we have 5 different flowers 1 through 5. And flower number 1 was this one here. And of course, we did it in all of our colors. One thing I wanted was to do some with multiple colors, and these are using our Cozy Cafe colors. So the first thing we did with that was the owls. We did them with our Cozy Cafe, so you'd have the brown with the pink, the brown with the green, and the brown with the green, blue, green, and pink, I think. So this week, what we're releasing is flower number 1 using the Cozy Cafe colors. So again, these are sold in bundles of 3. So you have Cozy Cafe blue. So you have Cozy Cafe with the pink, or the blue with the pink, the blue with the brown, and the blue with the green. And I really love how these turned out. Now, I did take a few of them and I cut them out. They're really easy to cut out. I made sure that, I told them, I said, make the inside you can make as intricate as you want, but the outside, make it so that it is easily cut out. So then you have the brown. So again, you have the brown with the pink, the brown with the blue, and then the brown with the green. Then the outside, and when I say, the brown or the green, it's the outside of the flower. So this one has the green. So the green is the outside, and then you have the blue, the brown, and the pink. Just like that. And then the last one is the pink is on the outside, and then you have the blue, the green, and the brown. Now these are the 2-inch flowers. And then he also did what we call the Punchables. So you can also cut them out, but we've made them so that they fit in a punch. So the top 2 rows, they fit in a 1.5-inch punch. So you can either cut them out or you can punch them out. And, both of them will fit, and they are right in the center. Then the one in the middle is the 1.25-inch punch. So again, all 3 will fit. And then the very bottom one, the 1-inch punch will fit. So it's not necessarily the shape that is a 1-inch size, is that you can use a 1-inch punch and a 1.25-inch punch and a 1.5-inch punch, or you can fussy cut them. So again, these come in the Cozy Cafe and in all the colors. So you have the green with the blue, the pink, and the brown. And then you have the pink flowers that has the brown, the green, and the blue. Let me move it over so you can see. Then you have the brown flowers that have the green, the blue, and the pink. And then you have the blue flowers that have the blue, the brown, and the pink. And I think my favorite, again, is this blue and green together. I am loving that color combo, but I really love that there is a little bit more. I love the tone on tone. Don't get me wrong. I love these tone on tone flowers, but I really wanted some that had, multiple colors. And then we wanted to keep the theme going, with all of our original colors, but we thought it would be fun to start with the Cozy Cafe and get these done. So again, we want to put out some new products, but we want to go back and do some of these with the multiple colors. So we'll probably kind of weave some of those in and release them once in a while. But for this week, it is flower number 1 in the 2 different sizes. So in the 2-inch and then the 3 where you can punch out or fussy cut them. So right now we're having a 50% off sale. So everything is 50% off, all our digital files and all the classes. So if you're interested, you can go to NicoleJones91.com, go to classes/embellishments, and everything is there. So that's it. These are our new digital files for this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.